Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could transform the way you manage comfort in your home, the Honeywell Home RCHTSENSOR-1PK Smart Room Sensor, designed to work seamlessly with T9 and T10 Wi-Fi smart thermostats. We've included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Honeywell RCHTSENSOR-1PK? This innovative smart room sensor is engineered to enhance your heating and cooling experience by allowing your thermostat to monitor temperature and humidity levels across multiple rooms. Designed specifically for the T9 and T10 series thermostats, this sensor is a game-changer for anyone looking to improve their home's climate control. Let's break down some of the standout features of this smart room sensor. First off, it's compatible only with the Series 3 and Series 4 T9 smart thermostats, which you can identify by checking the sticker on the back of your thermostat. This ensures that you get the most precise performance tailored to your specific thermostat model. One of the key features of the Honeywell Smart Room Sensor is its ability to expand your comfort. With multiple sensors placed throughout your home, you can effectively monitor temperature and humidity in different rooms, ensuring that every space is just right. This is particularly beneficial for families or households where different members might prefer varying climates in their personal spaces. Speaking of personalization, the sensor allows you to set schedules that focus on the rooms that matter most to you. For instance, if you know you spend more time in the living room during the evenings, you can configure the sensor to prioritize that area. This feature becomes even more powerful with motion detection technology, which senses when people are actually in a room versus just passing through. This means your heating or cooling efforts are concentrated where they count, helping you stay cozy no matter where you move in your home. Another great application of this sensor is for bedrooms. You can set your T9 thermostat to sense the temperature from the bedrooms at night, ensuring that you and your family enjoy a cool, comfortable sleep environment. This is especially useful for those hot summer nights or during the chilly winter months when you want to make sure everyone gets a good night's rest. Now, you might be wondering about installation. The good news is that setting up the Honeywell Smart Room Sensor is simple and requires no special tools. Just connect it using the Resideo app, and you're ready to go. This DIY-friendly setup makes it accessible to anyone, even those who may not be tech-savvy. The Resideo app enhances your experience even further by allowing you to control both your T9 thermostat and the smart room sensors from anywhere. Whether you're at work, out running errands, or even on vacation, you have the flexibility to adjust your home's climate with just a few taps on your phone. This is ideal for those who want to ensure their home is comfortable when they return. So, who is this product suitable for? If you have a larger home with multiple rooms or if you need to cater to different preferences within your household, the Honeywell Smart Room Sensor will be a perfect fit. It's also great for anyone looking to enhance their energy efficiency and save on utility bills by ensuring that they're only heating or cooling the spaces that are in use. In practical use cases, think about a family with kids who have different temperature preferences in their bedrooms or a couple who enjoys a cool living room for movie nights. The Honeywell Smart Room Sensor caters to all these needs, making it a versatile addition to your smart home setup. In conclusion, the Honeywell Home RCHTSENSOR-1PK Smart Room Sensor is a fantastic way to optimize your home's comfort and energy efficiency. With its easy installation, advanced motion detection, and ability to prioritize different rooms, it truly elevates the experience of using a smart thermostat. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,